Muscles. Muscles can be large, big, and attractive. But how are we able to do this, and that? These actually have names. Through muscle contraction, of course. And how does muscle contraction work? Well, let's break it down. This is the muscle, this is the tendon, and this is the bone. The outer layer of the muscle is the epimysium. The portion of the muscle is the muscle fascicle. The perimysium is the connective tissue around the muscle fascicle. The muscle fiber is the muscle cell. Endonysium is the connective tissue around the muscle fiber. And this is the myofibrils. In the myofibrils, there are sections called sarcomeres, which are the basic contraction unit of the muscle. The sarcomere consists of thick filaments, which are myosin, thin filaments, which are actin, the midline, the Z-line, troponin, and tropomyosin. This was the muscle broken down. But what's the process of muscle contraction? Well, first of all, it starts in the brain, specifically the motor cortex. And in the motor cortex, there are motor neurons. These motor neurons contain neurotransmitters called acetylcholine. When released, they attach to acetylcholine receptors. These cause an action potential, causing a rush of calcium which come from the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which surround the myofibrils. The calcium seeps into the myofibrils, and in the sarcomere, changes happen. Looking closer at the sarcomere, the calcium binds onto the troponin, causing the tropomyosin to move out of the way of the binding sites of the actin. While this is happening, one ATP attaches to the myosin, causing myosin to be able to bind onto actin. Another ATP is needed for myosin to be able to pull the actin closer to the midline. And after that movement, myosin releases and the whole thing starts again.